Ever wondered how artificial intelligence and animation could merge to create captivating story videos? Welcome to the fascinating world where creativity meets technology, where the human mind collaborates with artificial intelligence to create magic on the screen. Today, we delve into the process of creating AI animated story videos using chatgpt. Step 1. Brainstorm and plan. Every great story begins with an idea. Think about the narrative you want to convey, the characters involved, the settings, and the plot twists. Jot down these ideas, sketch the rough characters, and create a storyboard. Step 2. Develop your script. This is where chatgpt comes into play. OpenAI's language model, chatgpt, is a powerful tool that can help you write your script. Feed it with a prompt related to your story and watch as it generates a creative dialogue. Remember, it's not just about input and output. Engage with the AI, refine its suggestions, and mold the dialogue to fit your narrative. Step 3. Animate your story. Now with your AI-assisted script in hand, it's time to bring your characters to life. Use animation software to sketch your characters, design the settings, and animate the scenes. Sync the dialogues with the characters, add music, sound effects, and voila, your animated story video is ready. Step 4. Review and edit. Watch your video multiple times. Make sure everything flows well and the story makes sense. If something feels off, don't hesitate to go back and make changes. The beauty of AI and animation is that it allows for continuous tweaks until you achieve perfection. To summarize, creating AI animated story videos with chatgpt involves 4 key steps. First, brainstorm and plan your story. Second, develop your script with the help of chatgpt. Third, animate your story using suitable software. And finally, review and edit until you're satisfied with the result. So why wait? Unleash your creativity and make your story come alive with the power of AI and animation. Remember, in a world where technology is at your fingertips, the only limit is your imagination.